I've got an extension cord. Oh, Spaz 12 user.
Who's down here?
Spaz 12 user.
What?
Oh,
This is
we got-
heathens.
We got some
Heathen.
damn commies over here.
Who's
Heathens.
not here?
Let's go.
Oh, my nose itch.
Uh-oh.
Oh, god dang. I hate you. I hate you so much.
Are you the only one that was flashed?
Yes.
Is he the only one that was flashed?
I saw you drop it, so I just kept trying to run. I was like, no, don't do it.
Oh, behind you, behind you, behind you. Behind you, behind you.
Get him.
Fuck, what?
I'm a knife. I'll get a knife.
What?
You got this, coach. He's a murderer.
Yeah.
Get him.
Oh, god dang.
I think you were the only one flashed. Get ready.
Oh, two already dead.
And let's just get to it.
Oh,
Where are we going? I don't even know.
why do I hear a faint voice?
It was me.
Oh, okay.
Well, I gotta reload.
Oh no, my shell.
Oh god dang.
I saved your lives.
I'm like,
Why is it? Wait, hang on. 4 people here right now.
Yeah.
I see one of you. I only see 2.
What?
One of you is invisible for me.
Can you see me?
No.
Grenade.
Oh, dang.
Peek me. Let's just fuck me.
Hey, look.
It says
Das gut, ja.
we had a German kid. We had a German foreign exchange student, so he taught me peek me.
Ich schreibe eine große Schlange.
Hallo, ich heiße Hunter. Free.
Yeah, you can't kill yourself with a knife. That's good to know. Oh, never use a knife.
You just have the knife in your head?
Yeah.
Where's
Doesn't look.
Where's
He's still back there.
Wait up, Bo. Wait up, you're gonna die. We're so gonna die in here.
I somehow grabbed a shotgun shell.
We're so about to get killed while we're in here.
There's one. There's...
Stacked him. No, he's dead. He's dead. Or he pressed the button.
I was behind him and he backed up into me. Let's restart the round. Oh my god. Oh,
I'll go back to him. I'll make sure he dies.
I'm just gonna kill myself. See, I don't like toggle knife. Oh balls.
I didn't do my shotgun.
What'd you
You know
do?
what? Well, you know what? He didn't bring a shotgun.
How?